Hello everybody and welcome to the demonstration. So what I'm going to show you today is the power of Mitel and our CloudLink platform. So using workflow, what we're going to do is make the experience for a guest visiting a business a lot better. So in some cases there is no receptionist visitor sign in. There might be a doorbell or something like that they can press, and then someone comes to greet them and they say who they're there to visit, and away we go. But what we're going to do today is make that experience a lot nicer. So we're still going to have a visitor sign-in form so that we can get the guest details. But what we're going to do is we're going to take the information from that form and then use Mitel CloudLink to make some smart decisions. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill this in as John Smith, just as an example. I am from Smith Co. And today I'm actually going to be visiting Carter Sullivan. Now that's going to go away and fetch Carter's number. And what we have at the reception area is a Mitel handset. And what we're going to do when we hit submit is we're going to automatically dial from that handset in reception to the person that they are visiting. So if I hit the submit button now, what you'll notice on the handset is that the reception handset will make that call automatically through to Carter. Okay, now I'm just going to answer this and hang up. Okay, so that call then gets placed through to Carter and they can say, oh, I know it's reception calling me, my guest must be here. Okay, but what we can also do on top of that is take the information from that form and do other smart things. So what I've done here is send a message in MyCollab with the details saying that John Smith from Smith Co has arrived in reception. We can also send an email with that information as well. So grab the information from the form and shoot through an email. We might also want to send a Teams message as well. So again, take the information from the form and create a Teams message. Okay, and that's all done using workflow. So what I've essentially done is I've got a webhook here, and then I'm taking the information that is being passed through from the form, and then I'm building out the message that I want using the variables. Okay, and I'm also doing the same thing for the email, taking the same information and pushing that through to the person that I'm visiting. And then we're using the Microsoft Graph API, and then we're doing a little bit more in here because we're sending an adaptive card with some images and also the variables that we're getting, and then sending that through to Microsoft Teams. And then what we're doing is using the CloudLink gateway is getting a token so that we can authenticate with the PBX. And then exactly the same thing, we're taking the number that we're getting from the form and we're pushing that through to that person. And obviously we're accessing the reception handset, which happens to be 4131 in this case, and making a call to whatever the number that's pulled back. So this is just an example of how we can use the Mitel platform with CloudLink and the solution as a whole to solve customers' problems. So thank you for watching the demo, and we will chat soon.